Hey guys, quick video today. We're going to show you guys how to install the Built-Right Industries. I guess you could call it a latch release. I have to look it up to see what it's actually called online. But this is a latch release for the back of the F-150s. It's one of the cool products. Very simple install. We're going to do a quick video to show you guys how to get to it. And you guys can see we've already actually taken the seat down. And we did this on purpose to show you guys how to take it out. So basically, you put it in this upright position like this. You can get a little bit extra space behind the seat. And then using your new Built-Right base, you want to feed it in and grab onto this metal pin right here. You can actually see it while you're above. You do that and that'll release it from this bar and you're going to be all set to install the base. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this piece off and get it installed. So right here is a T27, two T27s. Okay, so make sure you slide it in right above. Just like that, so that lines up. Okay, you need to also clip this bad boy into place. So we're gonna slide it back, put it in through here, slide it in, and then slide this back so that it doesn't pop off. Okay, so again, sliding it over the top, should be over the top of the old bracket, and just like that. Okay. Now, notice this thing has a little tab. That little tab's got to go in that hole. And that's what helps you line it all up. That's it. Now, before you put this back, you want to move this down to right there, right where these two tabs are. That's what's going to actually allow it to catch. And then we'll just put it back. And there you go. And it's all secured into place. You ever want to pull it down, you just pull up on the tab. And she can come down. Cool install.
Easy.
All right, guys. Hope you guys like this install. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.